Now, our bites of the week come from vendors in southwestern Clarendon. They complained they had a bad Christmas as potential customers were diverted from their area due to the extended period of the free use along the Maypen to Williamsfield leg of the toll. Now, here are our bites of the week.
Road dry, see like I see dry leaf, I see it. Dry up, nothing not going, nothing. You see me just come and see time. Nothing not going, it makes sense. Me just come sit down through me out here.
Me not see no better movements from the road, open, the highway open. All of the vehicles we are going far that road down there. So we around here so come like a ghost town. Nobody remember us. So we are wondering so how we will survive in a Christmas. No Christmas. It's Christmas, you know. And we don't see how we are survive, so we don't know how we are going to live out it. Only the mercies of God how keep we alive in this Christmas. You know.